Lighting is one of the most important elements of interior design, as it has the power to completely transform the look and feel of your home. The right lighting doesn't just brighten up a room, it creates atmosphere, highlights architectural features, and can even make spaces feel larger or cozier, depending on how it's used. A well-thought-out lighting scheme begins with ambient lighting, which is the general illumination that provides the foundation for your room. This can come from ceiling fixtures like chandeliers, recessed lights, or pendant lights. It's essential to make sure that ambient lighting is soft and evenly distributed to avoid shadows or overly bright spots. Next, task lighting plays a key role in providing focused illumination for specific activities, such as reading, cooking, or working. For instance, pendant lights or under-cabinet lights in the kitchen, floor lamps beside your sofa or bed, or desk lamps in your office are all examples of task lighting that make these areas more functional while still being stylish. The third layer of a great lighting design is accent lighting, which adds depth and highlights the focal points of your room. Accent lighting, like wall sconces, LED strip lights, or spotlights, can be used to draw attention to artwork, bookshelves, or architectural features such as exposed beams or textured walls. These small touches bring dimension and interest to a space, making it feel more visually dynamic. In terms of fixtures, the material and style of your lighting choices also matter. For a modern look, opt for sleek metal finishes, geometric shapes, or minimalist designs, while a more classic or cozy feel can be achieved with vintage-style fixtures or warm materials like wood or fabric shades. Don't forget about the color temperature of your bulbs either. Warm white bulbs, around 2,700 K, create a cozy, inviting glow perfect for living rooms and bedrooms, while cooler white light, around 4,000 K, works well in task-oriented spaces like kitchens and offices, as it promotes focus and clarity. To make your lighting even more versatile, consider installing dimmer switches, which give you the flexibility to adjust the light intensity depending on the time of day or the mood you want to create. Smart lighting systems are also a fantastic option for modern homes, allowing you to control the lighting from your smartphone or voice assistants, offering convenience and customization. The right combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting can turn any home into a well-lit, comfortable, and stylish sanctuary.